Hello there, I'm Anupriya and it's tense time today. No, I'm not telling you to get upset by saying it's tense time today. Actually, it is the time to get up more cheer up because we are going to learn today tenses in English grammar. Big lesson, but we will try to learn in it partial manner. Alright, English language has distributed the time frame in 3 segments. टाइम को 3 सेगमेंट्स में डिराइव कर दिया गया इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में. प्रेजेंट, पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर. एक टेंस के 4 टाइप्स होते हैं. सो वन बाय वन वी विल लर्न दैट ईच टाइप स्पीक्स व्हाट, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द प्रेजेंट टेंस. So first part of present tense is simple present tense. This is the name of first type of present tense. Alright. Now understand simple present tense क्या है, किस सेगमेंट को हम प्रेजेंट के किस स्पेशल पार्ट को सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस कहते हैं. Alright. Simple present tense shows your routine, the very grounded and easy example or definition of this tense that you do regularly, जो आप regular करते हो, which is universal, which is your habit, which is your routine or you repeat. That is simple present tense in English grammar. Going ahead, in a English sentence 3 segments are there. एक सेंटेंस में 3 पार्ट होते हैं. पार्ट 1 सब्जेक्ट फर्स्ट पार्ट, वर्ब सेकंड पार्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट थर्ड पार्ट. फर्स्ट पार्ट सब्जेक्ट होता है, सेकंड होता है वर्ब एंड वर्ब के बाद रिमेनिंग जितनी भी चीजें होती है दैट मे इंक्लूड एडवर्ब, एडजेक्टिव, pronoun or whatever else, everything comes under the objective. These 2 are important one earlier. So subject is plural also and singular also. Simple present tense का एक रूल है, singular subject singular verb, plural subject plural verb. Now this is important to understand कि singular subject singular verb क्या है and plural subject and plural verb क्या है exactly. Going ahead, plural subject. I have made a segment. Plural subject. I and you are exceptions. Plural subject के साथ जो verb use होता है, जो form of verb use होता है, same form of verb या same verb use होता है I and you के साथ भी. So these both are exception because इन दोनों के साथ भी हम वही verb use करते हैं या वही form of verb use करते हैं जो कि हम बाकी के plural subject के साथ use करते हैं. So I, we, you all, they. Few plural subject I have mentioned here. Coming to the next subject formula, verb का first form. Simple present tense में आप सब्जेक्ट के साथ वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऐड करते हो. वर्ब इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन 3 फॉर्म्स. सो फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब इज यूज्ड विद सब्जेक्ट इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. डू रिमेंबर इट. फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस रिमेनिंग इज ऑब्जेक्ट. सो वी इज प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट. प्ले फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. Hockey every day. Remaining part is object. We play hockey every day. This sentence is showing your routine of playing hockey. हम hockey रोज खेलते हैं. Alright. So simple present tense यहाँ पर आपको क्या बता रहा है कि हमारी रोज hockey खेलने की habit को show कर रहा है. You, I said it is singular but exception होता है. You drive the car. Drive is first form of verb. You all, again plural subject because there are more than one person. You all eat breakfast together. They, plural subject, clean the whole home. Alright, so when there is plural subject, the verb is also plural. Means verb अपने उसी फॉर्म में है जिस तरीके से वो बोला जाए. There is nothing added, उसमें कुछ भी add या माइनस नहीं हुआ है. They clean the whole home. And this is what we are learning. I forgot to mention positive sentence. Here we are using the positive sentences of simple present tense. Nothing interrogative, nothing negative, nothing like that. We are learning here only positive sentences. So they clean the whole home. Alright, plural subject, plural verb. Coming to the singular subject, which is one in number, when subject is single. So what the construction becomes? He, she, it. It is used for non-living single things. So here I have mentioned it and Ravi, which is the name of a person. These are few subjects in singular number. So let's see the frame formula. Subject, verb, first form of verb. But when subject is singular in simple present tense, what we do, हम simple present tense में verb के साथ add करते हैं s और es in simple present tense when it is positive sentence. So when it is he speak is the first form of verb, but हमने add किया इसमें s. He speaks, remaining part is object, जो भी remaining part होता है verb के बाद का. He speaks very loudly. So here with singular subject, when we use first form of the verb, तो हम first form of the verb में क्या add करते हैं? S और es add करते हैं. This is the fixed rule. Otherwise, grammatically this sentence becomes wrong if you write he speak very loudly. Wrong. But अगर यहाँ पर plural subject होता या I and you होता, so I speak very loudly, you speak very loudly, they speak very loudly. But अगर singular है subject, so he speaks very loudly or she speaks very loudly. It again has been used in a single number for any non-living thing. It works properly. यहाँ पर it हम किसी clock के लिए use कर सकते हैं. Wall watch. So wall watch is hanging on the wall and I am saying it works properly. ये ठीक से काम करती है. So again it is singular subject and I have used the verb work. With the work I have added s. Remaining part is object. So singular subject in simple present tense, in positive sentence, verb plus s or es and remaining part is object. Ravi, name of a person. Makes, the verb is first form क्या है verb का? Make है. But following the rule हमने क्या किया है? Verb के साथ add किया है es. S और es already we know. So Ravi makes fun of me. Ravi मेरा मजाक बनाता है. Again here the habit of Ravi making fun of me has been shown. रवि की मजाक बनाने की आदत को शो किया गया है इस सेंटेंस में. सो सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस एस और es, remaining part is object. In this way, remember in simple present tense when the subject is plural, verb का first form and remaining part is object and same form use किया जाएगा I and you के साथ भी. And when the verb is subject is singular, first form of the verb plus s or es plus remaining part is object. This is all about positive sentence in simple. Practice it. Bye.